Phrasal verbs combine a verb with a preposition or adverb to create new meanings. Today, we focus on setup, which means to establish something new or arrange something to happen. This phrasal verb appears in business, daily planning, and social situations. Set up means to establish or arrange. Use it when starting businesses, scheduling meetings, or organizing events. The particle up emphasizes completion of the preparation process. Both meanings share the idea of creating something functional from scratch. They set up a new business means they established a company. I'll set up a meeting tomorrow means arranging a scheduled discussion. These examples show setup in business creation and appointment planning contexts. For establish, use establish, found, or create. For arrange, use arrange, organize, or prepare. These single words replace setup in formal writing while keeping the same meaning of starting or planning something. They set up the equipment before the show means preparing technology. We set up a meeting means scheduling a discussion. She set up her own business means starting a company. He set me up to fail means positioning for poor results. Set someone up means arrange a date between friends. Set up shop means start operating a business location. Set up for failure means create conditions guaranteeing poor outcomes. These patterns extend the basic meaning into specific situations. Set the meeting up follows object between set and up. Set himself up as a doctor uses reflexive pronoun plus role. Set him up to fail prepares someone for negative results. Object placement varies by pattern but meaning stays consistent. Please set up a time to meet fills with setup. They set up their new company completes the business example. We set up the tables shows event preparation. Set up your account demonstrates technology setup. Replace with arrange, establish, or organize.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.